When it comes to enhancing the comfort, beauty, and energy efficiency of your home, choosing the right materials for your windows is one of the most important decisions you can make. In Des Allemands, where weather can shift from humid summers to cool, breezy winters, the material you select directly affects performance, maintenance, and long-term value. Let's explore the most popular window materials and how to choose the best one for your home. Vinyl windows. Affordable and energy-efficient vinyl windows are among the most popular choices for homeowners in Des Allemands, and for good reason. They are affordable, durable, and require minimal upkeep. Vinyl frames resist moisture, which makes them perfect for Louisiana's humid climate. The material doesn't warp, rot, or peel, and it maintains its clean look year after year. Another advantage of vinyl is energy efficiency. Many vinyl windows feature insulated frames and multiple glass panes that help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, budget-friendly option that still offers great performance, vinyl is a solid choice. Wood windows. Timeless beauty and natural insulation for homeowners who appreciate traditional charm and warmth. Wood windows offer an unmatched aesthetic appeal. They bring natural beauty to any architectural style, from classic southern cottages to modern farmhouses. In addition to their looks, wood frames provide excellent natural insulation, helping reduce your energy costs over time. However, wood requires more maintenance in humid regions like Des Allemands. To protect against moisture damage, rot, and insects, wood windows must be regularly painted or sealed. For those who love the elegance of real wood but want less upkeep, consider aluminum or vinyl-clad wood windows, which combine durability with classic style. Aluminum windows. Sleek strength and durability. Aluminum windows are known for their strength, slim frames, and modern look. They're often used in contemporary homes or commercial buildings where a sleek, minimalist aesthetic is desired. Aluminum is resistant to corrosion and can withstand harsh weather, making it suitable for coastal Louisiana homes. That said, aluminum is a good conductor of heat, which can lead to higher energy costs if not properly insulated. Choosing thermally broken aluminum windows, which include a barrier between the interior and exterior, can help improve energy efficiency. They're a smart option if you want a durable, stylish window with a modern edge. Fiberglass windows. The best of both worlds. Fiberglass windows are becoming increasingly popular for homeowners who want strength, efficiency, and longevity. Fiberglass frames expand and contract very little with temperature changes, which reduces air leaks and improves energy performance. They're also highly resistant to moisture, warping, and fading, ideal qualities for Louisiana's weather. While fiberglass windows tend to be more expensive up front, their long lifespan and minimal maintenance often make them worth the investment. They can also be painted to match your home's color palette, offering both flexibility and lasting appeal. Composite windows. Advanced performance with a natural look. Composite windows combine materials like wood fibers and polymers to offer the beauty of wood and the durability of synthetic materials. These windows resist rot, moisture, and insects while maintaining excellent energy efficiency. Composite frames are also eco-friendly, often made from recycled materials. For homeowners in Des Allemands seeking a long-term, low-maintenance window that mimics the appearance of real wood, composite windows deliver outstanding performance with very little upkeep. Making the right choice for your home. When selecting the best window material for your Des Allemands home, consider your priorities. Budget, vinyl and aluminum are cost-effective. Aesthetics. Wood and composite provide timeless appeal. Energy efficiency. Fiberglass and vinyl offer excellent insulation. Maintenance. Fiberglass, vinyl, and composite require the least care. Consulting with a local window expert can help you find the perfect balance between beauty, function, and durability. With the right material choice, your windows will not only elevate your home's curb appeal but also improve comfort and energy savings for years to come.